and side to side. Then I let the Alpine play. Off the new shit by NWA.
Yo, what's up, boys?
What's up?